Hello everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab posted on the third Sunday of every month, I believe it is. And I'm a little late posting today. I usually try and post by 7 in the morning Eastern time, and here it is. I'm recording and it's almost 7:30 p.m. So I apologize to Kim and Katie, but it's still Sunday. In my neck of the woods, maybe not where Katie is. Anyway, we were to do coffee or tea, or coffee and tea themed, whatever you wanted to do. Now, I've kind of been a little coffeeed out, not in real life, but I just finished the Love You a Latte 12 by 12, right? But I've had, apparently like everybody else, or many people, I have had this Echo Park collection, plus the 6x6, plus the tags and things, and I've had it sitting here. I was actually going to try and use it with the Love You a Latte, but the color scheme was different, so I never did. So I had written on my notes here to use this for this this month's cards, so that's what I did. Now I have watched at least 2 people that have recently used this. I think 3 actually that I know of. I'm sure there's a lot more, so it's out there, and I hope that my cards, I know they're not the same as one person today, but I hope I didn't do anything that someone else has already done. I don't know. My brain is about fried right now. Anyway, let me show you what I did. I made slimline cards. I'm pretty sure I saw somebody do this, but so I apologize if I copied. I don't know. But the paper has this strip that is a coffee shop scene. So this piece here, this little coffee, I bumped up on dimensionals. This is off the top strip of the paper. Because I guess that's the name of the collection, and it's got these flowers on it, right? So they had this little white coffee on the strip, so I cut it out, flagged it, and bumped it up on dimensionals up here. And this was a cut apart out of the small paper pad. It's in the big one too, but it's like, you know, ginormous. So I didn't want to cover up the little girl and the I'm assuming the mommy and the other people and the couple here. So I rounded the corners, and this was the only place. I covered up some of the baked goods. Uh-oh. So it says, let's go on a coffee run to someplace new. And then this, and that's bumped up also. That is actually the black and white baker's twine out of Stampin' Up's Playful Pets combo pack. Here's the number. It's in the annual catalog. And the combo pack is this black and white baker's twine and a red and white stitched grosgrain ribbon. That's the combo pack. But I only used the black and white baker's twine. I just tied a little bow there because I thought it had a lot of black and white in this paper. So it just need a little something something. And then these are the the Elegant Faceted Gems in Petal Pink, because this color very closely resembles Stampin' Up's Petal Pink. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Petal Pink Elegant Faceted Gems. And then on the inside, I just have 2 more. There were 4, 2 more people, because this is sort of like my friend, and this is sort of like me, especially right now my hair is really long. I don't usually wear a beanie, but you know, and I'm certainly not that thin anymore. And I just put a sticker on. It's so funny. I was almost done these cards, and I thought that's really odd this collection didn't have a sticker sheet. It did. It just was upside down the whole time. Yeah. Anyway, it says coffee before talkie. So I feel like I'll use this as an oh, and I did put these flowers here. It was a punch out or in the tag pack or something. I feel like I would use this as an invitation, both of these actually, to get together with a friend and let's go on a coffee run to someplace new. My one local friend and I have been, have been emailing, and probably in next week we might go. We have like a favorite pizza place, and if the weather's nice, they have outdoor seating. They have indoor seating too, but you know what, everything's still. And last time we did eat inside because there was nobody else there except the people that worked there. They were all outside or just picking up. It's like a pick up takeout thing, but they have tables. Anyway, I may use that to send to her, or this one, because I like my hot coffee. She likes her cold coffee. And so this one just says hello there with the girl holding the coffee. This is a sticker also, which I cut down just a little bit because it was 12 inches wide. I don't know what I got on there. Weird. And I just felt like I needed something. I almost put this on Pretty Peacock cardstock or backed it with that, but I thought it might be too much because this color closely resembles Stampin' Up's Pretty Peacock. So then inside I put the sticker Coffee and Friends. I stamped crookedly, Make Me Smile. Coffee and Friends Make Me Smile. The Make Me Smile is out of the Well Said stamp set right here. I was looking for something that would say like nothing's better than, the words nothing's better than Coffee and Friends. Couldn't find it in anything. We have the Nothing's Better Than stamp set, but it doesn't have those words, which at least my eyes weren't seeing them tonight if it does. Anyway, and then down the corner it says happiness, and up here is one of the little punch outs from the tag pack, I think. Coffee and Friends Make the Perfect Blend. Coffee, there's the cold coffee, cappuccino, frappuccino, I guess they call them. And then I can just write let's go have coffee somewhere or whatever. Now I only have one friend locally that I can write that with, but maybe I'll just save one for soon and one for later. That's about it. Oh, and then these, these are actually Coastal Cabana out of the Holiday Rhinestone pack that's in the annual catalog, because I had 5 left on a lonely sheet. Now it only has 2 or 3 cherry cobbler ones on it, so I thought it made it just sparkle a little bit. And there's so many colors in here, I didn't really want to bring in some other kind of color, so it was either going to be that or just regular rhinestones or stickles, and I didn't feel like waiting for stickles to dry. Yeah, so that's it. All right, everybody, I hope you will check out everyone else if you haven't already. Probably you have, because I'm late getting this up, but if not, please do check out the other wonderful creators. They're all listed down below with their links. And we hope to see you next month on the 3rd Sunday. Let's see what our theme is for next month. It is going to be... I usually like to surprise you, but others have the whole list in their thing. It's going to be, oh yes, Christmas! And then December will not be necessarily Christmas. So, I had TBD next to mine. I don't know what I was going to do. But I have a lot of Christmas paper, so I'm sure I'll figure something out. Alright guys, I'm sorry. Take care, have a great week, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.